Hello friends, in front of me Harshit Kaur ji is sitting. She had attempted July 21 exam and now she is in CA final. She had scored very good marks in almost all the papers. Mainly her practical papers are very strong. She scored exemption in FM and Eco. She opted my online pen drive classes and definitely we will like to know what preparation strategy she covered in FM Eco, how she managed to score such a good marks in FM Eco. So please let us know, Harshit, about your FM Eco preparation and what are the advantages you had in FM Eco, how you managed to score such a good marks. Please go ahead.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, actually, all my credits, all my good marks, the credit goes to you because it was only because of you that I scored such good marks in FMECO. I just studied your notes, and later on I practiced sums from your book only. And for each sum, I did at least 3 times practice, and after that, I was able to attempt the exam successfully. And also, I asked for the MTP RTP notes from you only, and you mailed me those all that matter. I practiced that also, and after that I was fully ready for the exams, especially for the economics. I would say that I just read the book that you gave, that small book. I left that ICI big module for economics, and all the questions in the paper from your book only. And I was actually very happy after the paper that it was all out of your book.
So no extra effort is needed. Just you need to follow my
Actually, yes.
material.
Yes, I just followed your material. Your guidance was all for securing good marks.
And what about the practical aspect which we used to tell in class about stock market? You have also opened Demat account. You are investors. You are a shareholder of many company. You are the owner of many company. How you feel that in this age you are now a part of investing community?
Yes, even the credit of my Demat account and my finance, opportunity that I entered into finance field, all goes to you only, because I never thought that I will indulge in trading also. It was all because of you. After I watched your lectures, I really got interest in finance. So I opened my Demat account. I invested in some of the shares, and yes, the dividend also, I'm going to get dividend for some of the companies. So it's really good to actually indulge into practical aspects also.
Great, great, great. So what is your now future course of study? What are you planning now?
I'm planning to do articleship in Big Four. Of course, I would love to do articleship in finance field only, like M&A or valuations. But it depends. Like there is very less vacancy in those fields. But yes, further, if I get chance to do industrial training in investment banking, I will of course choose that.
No, now you had 18 months of industrial training. Many of my students are a part of big investment companies of the world like Credit Suisse, Barclays, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, so HSBC, Nomura, and they are getting 50,000 stipend per month with Saturday, Sunday off. So definitely by our advanced finance teaching, you will be able to crack the interview very easily, and definitely you will be recruited in one of the best industrial training firm in your articleship period only.
Thank you so much, sir. I will try for it, of course. And I know after buying your SFM lectures, I will get to learn a lot about that.
We'll get ready for the final concept because that will be more practical oriented, more stock market oriented, and more you will be entering into finance career. More closer you will be getting into yourself into finance career, and that definitely. And as far as marks are concerned, you can definitely view the marks 100%. Our students scored 100% marks in the subject. One of the toughest degree of the world in CA course, scoring 100% marks is really a miracle.
Yes.
So can I expect from you also?
Yes, sir, for sure. I will try my best.
Yes.
I actually have interest in finance. it's just because of you only, because of your good guidance, I developed interest in this field.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Harshit, for coming and giving your valuable inputs. Definitely, many students will like your guidance and will follow the same path. Thank you, Harshit. Wish you all the best for your finals. And one more interview is due, and that is in finals. I will be meeting you again, and
Yes, yes,
definitely
sure, sir.
much more good marks and much more milestone and much more record-breaking marks I am expecting from you.
Yes, sir. That will be definitely 90 plus marks then.
Yeah, 90
I
plus
will.
is that's for sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Harshit, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you.